And good evening. Yes, we are here at Hinchingbrooke House. We can already hear the chainsaws out the back, so we're pretty sure we're going to be scared. So we're going to go in a little while, and we'll let you know when we come out the other side. And good evening, that's us done here at Horror at Hinchingbrooke House. Oh, we found a friend. Hello. You don't have a name, you're just friend. Friend. We had an absolute stonking time in there. We always have a good time at Horror at Hinchingbrooke House. This year there were so many different movie references in there. We like the Dirty Dancing scene. Being abused by a melon, always good fun. But the Squid Game section at the end has replaced what used to be the Purge section. Absolutely just one-on-one attacks all the way through. Don't forget, Horror at Hinchingbrooke is one of the only attractions that really does allow full contact. We were often grabbed, split up, separated from each other, pulled away apart from the group and moved into different areas and whatever. We all had a really, really fun, fantastic time. The sets throughout are always good fun. As anyone who's never been before knows, you start in the house and then you move it out into the gardens. We can't ever fault Horror at Hinchingbrooke House. We've had a really, really good time. So we are going to sign off. We will see you at the next event.